Hi students, good morning all of you. Welcome to my video class. I discuss this chapter of first question. You are studying three statements. One statement is angle in a semicircle is 90 degree and two lines join from the end of the diameter to a point outside the circle is less than 90. Line join the end of the diameter to a point inside the circle is more than 90. Using these three statements, using and do this problem from the circles chapter first problem. That first question is, we want to read first. Suppose we draw a circle with the bottom side of the triangle in the picture. Here one figure is given, triangle, bottom side is AB, with AB as a diameter, draw a circle, diameter. Find out whether the top corner, here three corners are top corners of each triangle, first triangle ABC, that top corner is C. Second triangle ABD, top corner D. Third triangle ABE, its top corner is E. Inside the circle, on the circle or outside the circle. Want to find out this point is inside, outside or on the circle. Same manner D, you also want to check inside or outside or on the circle. E also want to find out inside or outside or on the circle. Therefore, using that three statements, important statements, angle in a semicircle is 90. Here, draw a circle with AB as a diameter. AB as a diameter. Third vertex lies inside or outside or on the circle, using that angle in a semicircle is 90. Here 90 degree, therefore D in on the circle, this is more than 90, therefore C is inside the circle, 70 degree, therefore it is outside the circle. Then write angle ACB. This is the answer. Only simple answer, one word questions, but important question also. Angle ACB. Given, already given the measure 110 degree. You are three statement using, therefore 110 degrees less than or more than or equal to more than 90. Therefore, one angle is more than 90 means third vertex is inside the circle. Therefore, C is inside the circle. This is the first question answer. Then here, second top vertex. What is the second top vertex? D. Angle ADB. What is the measure? Represent by this form. Therefore, this angle's measure is 90 degree. Therefore, this meaning perpendicular. Therefore, 90 degree. Therefore, equal to 90. One angle is equal to 90. Therefore, what is the statement? On the circle. Angle in a semicircle is 90. Angle in a semicircle is 90. Therefore, point is on the circle. Therefore, angle point D is on the circle. Then want to next top vertex. What is the next top vertex? E. Therefore, angle AEB equal to 70. 70 is less than 90. All are no? 70 degrees less than 90 degree. Therefore, is less than 90 means is inside the circle. Outside the circle. Outside the circle. Therefore, the question answer is finished. Therefore, here question is, suppose AB as a diameter, draw a circle. Draw a circle. Therefore, this point on the circle, then C is inside, E is outside. But you did not draw the circle. Reason, in all question, an exam is coming, that time you are drawing the circle is very difficult. Therefore, not draw, rough figure. Only look the measures. Measure is 90. Therefore, you want to write on the circle. Less than 90, you write outside the circle. See, 110 degree is more than the 90. Therefore, it is inside. Only using that 3 step single work. 90 degree on the circle. More than 90, inside. Less than 90, outside. This is the important points. Therefore, question is over. Question, that second question, related with that 3 statements. Only that 3 statements, angle in a semicircle is 90 degree. Angle made outside the circle is less than 90. Angle made by inside the circle is more than 90. Using that 3 statements, find the answer of second question. For each diagonals of the quadrilateral shown, one quadrilateral is given. That quadrilateral has 2 diagonals are there. What are the diagonals? Here I already give the name of quadrilateral A, B, C, D. That is the quadrilateral A, B, C, D. 2 diagonals are there. What are the diagonals? Join the opposite vertex A and C. Not adjacent vertex, opposite vertex. This A adjacent vertex is B and D, then opposite vertex C. Therefore, join AC. This is the first diagonal. Second diagonal is BD. Join BD. Therefore, 2 diagonals. One quadrilateral has 2 diagonals. Therefore, I take first diagonal AC. AC as a diameter. Therefore, what is the point? Other 2 vertex, inside or outside? That is one to find out. Here, AC, draw a circle with AC as a diameter. Therefore, I draw a diagonal AC, draw a circle with AC as a diameter. Therefore, what is the condition of D and B? Therefore, B already given 55, but D is not given. Therefore, one quadrilateral, 3 angles are given. Find the 4th angle. What is the 4th angle? You are studying in lower class. Sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Sum of quadrilateral ABCD is 360. Using that idea, A plus B plus C plus D equal to 360. Therefore, 3 angles are given. Find angle D. Therefore, A is given 105, B is given 55 degree, angle C 110 degree. Want to find out D, 360. Therefore, adding that time, what is the answer? Here, 105 plus 55, 160. 160 plus 110, 270. Sum is 270. Angle D, 360. Therefore, angle D is equal to 360 minus 270. Therefore, 90 degree. Therefore, find the 4th angle. 3 angles are given. One quadrilateral, 3 angles are given. Find the 4th angle. Total is 360. Find the sum of 3 angle and minus. That time we get 4th angle. Angle D is equal to 90 degree. That is the first step. Then draw a circle with the AC as a diameter. Then what is this? Angle. Angle D is 90. D is 90. Therefore, D is on the circle. What is the reason on the circle? 90 degree. Angle in a semicircle is 90. That is the using statement. Angle in a semicircle is 90. Same manner, use AC as the diameter. What is the B? Condition of B. B is 55. 55 is less than 90. Therefore, that point D is less than 90. Therefore, outside the circle. Outside the circle. D is angle B is outside. B is outside. Angle B is, the vertex B is outside the circle. Therefore, AC is a diameter. D is 90 degree. Therefore, on the circle. This is less than 90. Therefore, inside. Then again, second diagonal. What is the second diagonal? BD. BD has a diameter. Then want to check BD. Draw a circle BD as a diameter. Therefore, angle BD diameter. Therefore, look, angle A is 105. 105 is more than 90. Angle A is equal to 105 degree is more than 90. Therefore, A is inside the circle. Inside the circle. Same manner, BD is a diameter. Therefore, look at angle C. 110 degree is more than 90. Therefore, C is inside the circle. Therefore, question answer is over. Only very simple question. Look, 90 degree, therefore on the circle. More than 90, inside the circle. Less than 90, outside the circle. This is the reason. But want to look at first step. AC is a diameter, therefore D 90, therefore on the circle. This is less than 90, therefore outside the circle. BD as a diameter. This is more than 90 inside the circle. This also C, angle C also more than 90.